And now we are almost done with the twisting of the hair, which is the first segment. Hello, my beautiful ladies, all my twist lovers. Let's gather here together. Okay, thank you very much for your time. You see, you're very beautiful girl. Now, we part this one, the first line. After parting it, the first line, you still cut it into two segments, two lines. Then you share those two lines into four. What we do here, this front is flogging. We'll flog after flogging the first one, we join it to that fourth line. After you join it together, then you tie it, keep it there, go to the second line. Is to get this X shape, as we all can see. Join it to the other third line. That's how we do it. Okay. When you look at it, also you self-explanatory. If you don't understand the explanation, then this line, this one, this tie, you cut just one line. After cutting it, you frog it, join to the other one. This one you cut it into two, no, into three. Look very well. Yes, it's been cut into three. You frog this one, join to the second line. You continue from there, frog it and join it to the another line. So after that, you just tie it and keep it. We'll still come back to it. Okay. It's still your baby girl, Serafina. Thank you for passing by. Okay, now this hair is parted from the earline into two segments. We are already done with the back segment. We do about we twist the hair. Then the front, that's where we are right now, as you all can see. Just watch so you get the actual how we get this, how we make this hair, how it's been done. Yes, you part the hair into two, as you can see. Mommy said, I don't want to sit here for long. I should just cut this hair big so she can just get up and she said, I don't want to strain my waist. Oh, I don't want after sitting here now. For me to stand up, my waist will be another thing. So do as much as possible as you can to cut this hair big, so we can everybody can just go their way. So my sisters, as you all can see, we are on it. And this hair is so lovely, simple as well. Just look, and it's just simple trick there. You just need to apply on this front to make the hair unique as well. So if you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, like and drop your comments for immediate response, and then please help us share this video so people can get knowledge of how this hair is being made, and your loved one can also try it out and then give me feedback on the results. Okay, I'm always here at your service. Promise you, this style won't take much of your time. Okay, just a few hours, we are done, and the results will be like wow. Okay, depending on how you want the outcome to be. If you want it long, like at the end you leave it long, is a choice. Okay, we all have our individual differences and preferences as well. Okay, so keep watching. As you can see how the flogging goes, we flog it, like join it to the second line, and then still take it to the third line. From there to get this zigzag kind of shape. Yes. No, it's not painful at all. Yes, it's not. Depending on how you hold the hair, it's not painful. So as you can see, we are done with the frogging now. So we've gone back to the hair, those ones that we left. So we are now adding it up, our wool. Remember, we are using Brazilian wool. You can use attachments, anything, Brazilian wool, attachments, bobby wool, baby wool, anything attachment at all you can use to style this hair. Okay, so right now we are using Brazilian wool. So we are now adding the extension. Okay, the frogging, the one we stopped. So We'll get the wool and add it up to it. As you can see, and it's moving freely, okay, depending on the length. Yes, you want the hair. As you can see, my mom loves it short, period. So beautiful. And the outcome, no, let me just wait. Absolutely. Ca- So we do this one after the other. All the hair, we have to add this extension to it one after the other, one after the other. So the hair looks so beautiful and unique. As you can see, my customer is already looking breathtaking. See the transformation. Oh fine. Down, 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 down. Hello, my dear viewer. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for your support and let keep the love going. Yes, yes, keep it going. Thank you for your support. I love you so much. We're almost there, almost there. Gorgeousness personified, Mama of all nations. You look beautiful, mommy. Oh, this hair is so beautiful. Like, I think of what style should I give my mama. She's like, okay, let me just give you this style. But mama, you just have to this hair. You just carry like 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks is due for you to change your hairstyle. Okay, so I just like let me give you this. So just carry for like 2 weeks thereabouts before we check into another style. Clock it. Oh wow, we're the last one and the last phase. You look amazing. So still on the extension, yes, yes, to finish up the hair. We are almost done. So if you have any question regarding of this style, like regarding of the hair, feel free to bring it up, okay? And then cap. This is beautiful. Can you see the outcome? Okay, she doesn't like it long. She don't like it long. She prefer it short. So I have to fold them out. You know now. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And oh, she's like, oh, I love this hair. This is beautiful. I don't want anything touching me, disturbing me, and this is perfect for me. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share our video. Drop your comments. I love you. Bye.